how to design a Shopify store that is for sure gonna get you a very high conversion rate. Make sure your products always sell, and also it's not gonna be very hard to make it. If you're a complete beginner, you will still be able to use this particular process and be able to make a Shopify design for yourself. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Step number one. So in step number one, of course, you need to have your sign up process completed. Now, if you don't know how to sign up, it's very easy. You just have to come over to shopify.com, and then afterwards, you guys are going to see this particular page. From this particular page, all you need to do is simply click on start free trial after putting in your email address, and then Shopify is going to guide you. The process is very similar. So coming over here inside our main dashboard, this video is completely about designing your Shopify store and making sure it stands out. So we're going to be focusing completely on that. We're not going to be looking into other options. So if you came in to watch a Shopify tutorial, well, then this video is not for you. We have other videos on this channel that you can watch, and you will know exactly how to set up, how to navigate all these different options. But this video is completely just about the design essentials. So let's just jump into that right away. So first of all, we have to click on the left side on online store, and then after that, it's going to take us over to this particular section, which is the online store section, and we can simply click on customize from over here to customize our theme. But of course, we can also choose a different theme as well if we want to. So to choose a different theme, what you need to do is simply scroll down, click on themes over here, and then afterward, it's going to take you over to the themes section. So for now, it's taken me over to the help section. So click on visit theme store, and then that's going to take you over to the theme section. So as soon as you guys come over to the Shopify theme section, this is what you guys see. In front of you, you have hundreds and hundreds of amazing themes. On the left side, you have filters for free, paid, and then also you can see different themes based on the industries. So it can be arts and crafts, baby and kids, books, music and video, business equipment and supplies, clothing, electronics, food and drink, and whatever else it might be. It can be all of that stuff. Then of course you also have your catalog size, your features, and whatnot. So I will simply click on paid from over here, and also free, but for the sake of this video, to make sure that every single one of you can do this, I will remove the paid option. And then over here, let's take a look at the free theme. So which theme would look absolutely incredible inside our Shopify store? I find this publisher theme to be very nice because I think it really stands out because it has that vibe, the whole aesthetic. Then of course you have your color block theme as well, which is also very nice. But other than that, I don't find any particular theme really interesting, so I'm gonna go with the publisher theme because I just think that it's gonna look really nice once we've modified this. So I will click on publisher, and then after that, it's gonna basically give us an overview of how this theme is gonna look like. So it includes support for stock counter, mega menus, stick headers. Then of course we have all these features over here: merchandising, product discovery, marketing conversion. All right. Then of course we have reviews. Okay, so we don't have any reviews yet, but overall it looks nice. So I will click on try theme, and then afterwards it's gonna take just a few moments to basically add this particular theme inside our Shopify store. So let's just let it do that, and hopefully it's gonna be done now. And there we go, we have that theme at the bottom. We can simply click on customize on this particular theme once it has been loaded inside our Shopify store. So let's just give it a few more moments, and then we're gonna get right down into the juicy stuff, the stuff that's gonna make sure that your theme stands out really well. So click on customize over here, and then that's going to take you over to this particular page. Now from over here, what you need to do is firstly listen to me closely, and secondly, you have to think to yourself, how do you want this particular website to look like? So for my particular example, I'm gonna have it be a distribution website, and I'm gonna build it so that it looks like a distribution website. But you might be building this website for something else, let's say a Shopify dropshipping store. So you have to look at it from that perspective, but for me, I'm gonna look at it from a distribution side of things. So first of all, we need to have a very nice logo. So for that, we have to go into this free logo maker. You guys can pick any, honestly, like it doesn't matter. If you have a logo made already, that's also fine as well. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna find a logo right away. Like it's not gonna take a long time. So let's just make a logo right now. Let me just put in the name. After that, we can simply type in we buy and we deliver. And then after that, I can also choose the industry, which is going to be logistics. After that, click on make a logo, and your logo is going to be given over here inside many different sections. So I'm going to choose the first one, which is going to be the initial one, and then I will click on next. Afterwards, you guys can also see the fonts. So I'm going to choose sans serif, and this font looks absolutely nice. So I'm going to go with this one. And now we have many different logo options. So I'm going to choose this particular one, which is this one. And then afterwards, it's going to look something like this, and we can also modify it now if we want. So we can change up the colors, change up the text, change up the logo picture, but of course we don't want to do that right now. So let's just wait for a few seconds, and then we're gonna see if our logo needs any changes or if our logo does not need any changes. So let's see how that goes. So now that we have our logo, from over here we can very easily simply click on save logo, and our logo is going to be saved. Now once we have our logo saved, after that of course we can very easily attach that logo inside our Shopify store. So let me just take a screenshot of my logo really quickly. So over here, let me just take a screenshot. Okay, so we have our screenshot now. Now after that, I'm just gonna simply copy this logo. I'm gonna paste it inside this particular website, which is the BG Remover website, because of course we want to have our logo completely backgroundless. And as soon as I paste my logo here, after that, now we have our logo without any kind of a background. Click on download, and boom, we have our logo. Now I'm gonna simply go back inside our Shopify store and click on the left side on the theme settings, then click on logo, then click on select image. Now I'm gonna click on add images, and now we can simply click on our logo, and boom, we have our logo. Upload it inside our Shopify store, click on done, and there we go. We have our logo over here at the very top of our Shopify store. Now we can also increase the width of our logo if we want to. We can make it be like really big, or just have it be a moderate size. After that, I want you guys to simply click on the image section of your theme. Now considering our theme is in the distribution side of things, I'm going to simply go into pexels.com, and then after that I'm going to simply click on search for free photos, and I will find a distribution over here. And then once I find distribution, after that I'm gonna simply click on the photo section and see if you have any good pictures that might look nice inside our theme. So let's just take a look over here. We have many different options, so I'm gonna basically pick this particular picture, and I'm gonna click on download. And then this particular image is going to be downloaded for free, but we need 2 pictures because we have 2 sections in our Shopify store. Now over here, I will simply click on select image, click on add image, and boom, choose the picture that we just downloaded. And then after that, it's going to take just a few seconds, and then our picture is going to be downloaded inside our Shopify store. So okay, right now it's saying that it failed to download. Let me just take a look at why it might not be working. So let's just take a look at the picture. I think everything seems to be perfect. Let me just take a screenshot of it really quickly. And then once we have a screenshot of our picture over here, as you can see, I have a screenshot. I'm going to simply save it over here. And now we're going to try again. And hopefully this time it is going to work. And it worked. So now I'm just going to give it a few seconds before it uploads, and we can simply choose our picture. And now I'm going to click on done, and there we go. We have a picture of our distribution related picture. After that, what you have to do is simply click on this plus section if you want to add a section. So let's say I want to add a section which is about the featured product niche, or it can be about the collection list perhaps. What I'm going to do instead is that I'm going to add a slideshow actually. So I will click on slideshow, and then after that I'm going to basically click on the section itself. I will simply change the text if I want to, or I can change the subheading, the button label, the button link, and also the desktop content positioning as well if I want to change any of that stuff. If I don't want to change it, of course, then I don't have to change it, but I can change it, like the options there. So I will click on select image now, then I will click on add images, and of course I can simply import the picture once again, or choose the older one. Once I've done that, again my store has another picture, and now I can very easily see my store coming to life pretty much. And I can simply click on any text over here, and I can simply modify that particular text from the right side. So over here, let's say I want to type in over here, put in your email if you want to get the latest updates. And then after that, I can just simply click on save from the top right, and boom, our store is now saved. So like this is the basic customization. Now coming onto the top, we can simply click on different pages, and then those pages are gonna show us basically different different options that we can go about using our own Shopify pages. So from the left side, I can click on theme settings, and I can simply click on colors over here if I want to modify the colors. So the colors are of course very important. They are the heart of any brand, and if a brand does not have good colors, then of course that brand is going to suffer. So I will simply click on the scheme 5, and I can simply change the color to be any other color, and let's see if we have the changes done. Okay, so the changes seem to be done, and we can come back, and from over here we can also change the typography as well. We can have the font be something else which we like more. For this example, I'm going to have it be Montserrat bold, and then after that I'm going to click on select. For the body, I'm going to have the font be Abril fat face, and then below that of course we have many other options, but of course, like I said in my other videos, that if I were to go into the detail of all of this, it's gonna take me forever. Then below that you have the options for brand information, for search behavior, and also for your cart conversion. You can also add in checkout options. You can also add in custom CSS, and also change up your theme style as well. That is totally up to you. So now from over here, what we need to do is simply click on product cards, and we can change up the style of our product cards if we want to. So these are the essential design elements of our Shopify store. Now from over here, we can simply come back, exit, and then afterwards we can simply click on the left side on these different options, and now from over here we can simply click on publish, and our theme is going to be replaced, and we're going to have this new theme in place for our Shopify store. And now from over here, of course, we can simply pick up plan, and then afterwards our theme is going to go live. So guys, this is basically the essential design settings that everyone needs to know about their Shopify store. But of course, you guys can also add in paid themes as well if you want to. Let's visit the Shopify theme store once again, and let's see what options we have. So we have the option for many different categories, and if I were to go into a particular section, then of course I can very easily see many themes over here. And the paid themes, they offer you more features, they give you more customizability, they give you a much nicer overall feel and look of your store, and of course they're expensive as well, but so they are definitely worthwhile if you want to check them out. But of course they're paid, so they're not gonna be free. So once everything is done, you can simply monitor your store once you launch it publicly, and if you see the conversions not really working out, you can start modifying other elements of your store. You can move stuff around, you can hide different stuff, you can also delete stuff as well if you want to. But yeah, I mean, definitely the options are more than enough for anyone and everyone to use. So from over here you can also delete or like add other products if you want to for your store, and all the options are definitely there. So guys, these were the basic design essentials for your Shopify store. I hope this video was of value to you. If it did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.